I don't know how you spent your Saturday, but I spent mine organizing our homeschool space in our camper. We have such a small space that we live in that our organization for our homeschool stuff has to be, it's got to be really organized, okay? So I went and snagged the second cart out of our storage unit yesterday and decided to go ahead and give it a try, move everything that was artsy and craftsy to our other cart that you see here, moved some books around, and put some things in our booth. So we have like a dinette booth in our camper, and it holds our extra curriculum as well as all of our board games. So the only things that you see here are things that we will be using on a daily or a very often schedule. And yes, we are including a Harry Potter joke book to our morning routine because we love jokes. Okay, who doesn't? But here's just a little sneak peek of some of the curriculum that we're using. If you want a more detailed video on exactly what we're using, I'll be more than happy to share. But we are using Apologia, Knotgrass, AOP, Life Pack. We're also using Share Your Story, which I'm super excited about, and a couple of other little things. But y'all, it looks so good. I love it. It's just, whew, finally done. Look at her.